Hi all, I am Ajinkya. The next CISA question is on the screen for you. Now this question is about audit process. The question talks about what is the first step that auditor shall undertake. Now we have four options here. First option is gain an understanding of the business. Second option is document a specific substantive test. Third is develop a comprehensive checklist. And fourth is identification of correct resources. Now, this is a typical audit question where you need to know the flow of the audit process. If you know the flow of the audit process, then you can get it right. The right here answer here, by the way, is option A, which is understanding the business. I don't want to go into the concept right now because it will make the video very long. What I will do is I will tell you a trick which I have developed to come to a right answer. I call this trick as big fish and small fish, or so that so what trick. So we can ask a simple question, so that to the option. If it takes us to the other options, then the other options are incorrect. So let's try it with the options which we have. The second option which we have is documentation of specific substantive testing. So I will ask a question. We document substantive audit testing because we want to create a checklist. We go to the checklist. That is why the checklist option is disabled. I will again ask the same question. We create substantive audit testing so that we can create we can do correct resourcing. It takes me into the correct resourcing answer option, so I will eliminate that. I will again ask the same question. We do substantive testing. We document the substantive testing procedure so that we understand the business. Now it doesn't make sense. It seems like we are going in an inverse direction. So now I will ask the same question to the option one, which is understanding the business. Now we understand the business so that we can create substantive audit testing. This makes sense, right? Since I asked this question to the first option, which is understanding the business, and it took me to the next option. That is why I can easily eliminate second option. And the correct option here is A. So I have told you how to reach the correct answer in two ways. First is by actually knowing the concept of audit, and second is by using this trick. A recommended approach is always to know the concept. If concept fails, then we have to rely on tricks. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.